Okay, part C says let's go ahead and interpret the interval that we just calculated or we found. I'm going to write the interval up here that we just found. It was 0.676 is less than rho is less than 0.724. So if we want to interpret that for part C, we just basically say and this gets pretty repetitious, we are 90% confident, sorry about my writing there, that the interval from 0.676 to 0.724 contains the population proportion. Okay. So, part D says determine whether the survey results are consistent with the actual voter turnout of 61%. Now here's the thing is, the people, the proportion of people that said they voted were from about 67.6% to 72.4%. The actual voter turnout was 61%. Now again, our entire interval is above 61%. It does not contain 61%. So the proportion of people that said they were voting is above 61%. So what does that mean? Is it consistent? No, it's not. It's not consistent. What our results from our data show that it's not consistent. And what does that mean? It probably means that there are more people that are saying they're voting than actually are. So do people lie about voting? In this case, they are. We got a group of people, it seems like, people that's from the survey, some of them said they voted and they actually didn't because, again, the actual voter turnout was 61%, but our interval is above that. It doesn't contain 61%. So more people are saying they voted than actually did.